Okay, next the fourth model, fifth model, joint probability distribution. Okay, let us know the definition of probability distribution associated with two random variables x, y, referred to as joint distributions. Means if it is only single x and single y, it is probability distribution only. Here we are taking two random variables, therefore it is telling it as joint distribution. Okay. If x and y are two random variables, then p of x equals to x, y equals to y. That is p of x, y. It is given by f of x comma y. Where if these two conditions, that is f of x, y greater than or equals to 0, summation of x, summation y, f of x, y equals to 1. This summation of f of x equals to 1 and f of x, y greater than or equals to 0. Then these two, if these two conditions holds good, then we can say f of x, y is a joint distribution. Okay. Suppose x equals to x1, x2 up to xm and y equals to y1, y2 up to yn. P of x equals to xi, y equals to yz. Then it is written as f of xi, yz denoted by jij. This is called nothing but joint probability distribution. Okay, this is summarized in the table. Okay, this is a y1, y2 up to yn. Next this is x1, x2 up to xm. Joint distribution is given by j11, j12 up to j1n, j21, j22 up to j2n. Next j11, j21 up to jm1, j12, j22 up to jm2, j1n, j2n up to jmn. Okay. To get marginal, this is called partial distribution, nothing but separate table for x. Distribution table for x. To get separate distribution table for x we need to add the columns of this one. That is sum of this column we are going to get f of x1, sum of second column f of x2 and so on f of xn. These we are going to get for x table and this one. If we add the rows, respective rows, we are going to get the distribution for y. That distribution of y, that is if we add j11 plus j21, jm1, the sum we are going to get as gy1. Same way, here last we are going to get gyn. This is the joint distribution table. From this table, we need to write the separate distribution for x and y. Next, we have some standard formulas. First one is expectation. Expectation is written as E. First one, if expectation of x, that is written as E of x, mu x equals to E of x, and it is given by summation of I into xi into f of xi. Expectation of y is given by summation of yj into gyj. Expectation of xy, jointly it is given by summation of xi into yj, jij. Next, second one is standard formula covariance. Covariance of xy is given by E of xy minus mu x, mu y. Mu x, mu y is nothing but E of x, E of y. Next, SD. SD means standard deviation. Standard deviation of x. It is given by sigma of x equals to square root of E of x square minus E of x whole square. E of x is nothing but, this is nothing but expectation. Here E of x square, this we are obtaining by the formula summation of xi whole square f of xi. Next, standard deviation of y, that is sigma of y is given by square root of E of y square minus E of y whole square. This E of y is nothing but expectation of this one E of y. E of y square is given by summation of yj square into f of yj. Next, correlation coefficient or correlation of x and y is given by rho. Rho of xy is equals to covariance of xy upon sigma x, sigma y. Okay, next we'll solve the examples on this one. Okay, the joint probability distribution of two random variables x and y is as follows. Here they have given a table of xy joint periodic table. Y minus 4 2 7, x 1 5, j 1 1 that is 1 8, j 1 2 1 by 4, next similarly 1 by 8, j 2 1 1 by 4, j 2 2 1 by 8, next one 1 by 8. Here one j 2 3. Next here we have given the question. Compute the following. First one e of x, expectation of x, and e of y, expectation of y. Second one e of xy, expectation of xy. Next third one c, sigma x, sigma y, nothing but standard deviations of x and y. Fourth one covariance of xy. Fifth one correlation of xy. Rho is nothing but correlation. Next we will first we will find distribution of x, distribution of y from the given table. First we will find distribution of x. Xi's are 1 5. Next we need to find f of xi. F of xi nothing but by adding the rows. By adding the rows we are going to get the f of xi. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Just add it. Here we are going to get the value as 1 by 2. Next 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Here we are getting it as 1 by 2. Next for distribution y, add the rows. Add these rows. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 is okay. First y I ask minus 4 to 7. G of y that is we are getting by adding the rows. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 that is nothing but 3 by 8. Next 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 it is nothing but again 3 by 8. Next 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 that is 2 by 8 nothing but 1 by 4. Next we will find 1 by 1 whatever they have asked. First expectation of x. Expectation of x we are getting by sum of x into f of x. Sum of x into f of x is nothing but 1 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. Simplify this one. After simplifying this one, here we are going to get this as 3. Expectation of x is 3. Next one is expectation of y. Expectation of y we are getting by sum of multiplying by y into gy. That is minus 4 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 7 into 1 by 4. Add and simplify this one. After adding and simplify, here we are going to get this one as 1. Expectation of x is 3, expectation of y is 1. Next they are asking expectation of xy. Expectation of xy is given by xi into yj into gij. That is sum of xy into jij. xy jij. That is 1 into minus 4 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 7 into again this is 1 by 8 plus next second one is that is 5. 5 into minus 4 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into 2 into 1 by 4 plus 5 into 7 into 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 by 4, 1 by 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Okay. Next simplify this one. After simplifying this one, e of xy. E of xy we are going to get by 2. E of xy is 3 by 2. Next we will find SD. SD, that is sigma x. First one, SD of x. Sigma of x. Okay, to find sigma of x, first E of x whole square we know that. That is nothing but expectation of x. And it's already obtained. Next we need E of x square. Okay, this we are going to find by this formula, that is summation of xi square into f of xi. Xi square, first one xi is 1. 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 square. 5 square into 1 by 2. Okay, simplify this one. This we are going to get E of x whole square. This we are going to get as 30. Next substitute here. E of x whole square is 30. E of x whole square is 3 square. 3 square means 9. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, how much it is? How much? 13 minus 9. 4. Square root of 4, which is nothing but 2. Sigma of x is 2. Next, sigma of y. Sigma of y, we will find sigma of y, that is summation of y square into f of y. Summation of y. First y is how much? It is minus 4 square into f of y, that is 3 by 8 plus next 2 square. 2 square into 3 by 8 plus 7 square into 1 by 4. Simplify this one. Okay, after simplifying this one, E of y square we are going to get 79 by 4. 79 by 4. Substitute here. Square root of 79 by 4 minus E of y is in the term y 1. 1 square. Okay, simplify this one. After simplifying this one, we are going to get 4.3. Okay, next, covariance of xy. Covariance of xy we can find by using the formula of expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. Okay, expectation of xy, how much it is? 3 by 2 minus expectation is expectation of x is 3, expectation of y is 1. Okay, simplify this one. Here we are going to get this one as minus 3 by 2. Next, correlation. Correlation of xy, that is covariance of xy upon sigma x sigma y. Minus 3 by 2 upon sigma x is 2. Sigma y is 4.33. Okay, simplify this one. After simplifying this one, we are going to get 0.17. 0.173. This is what joint probability distribution. Here they have given a distribution table, joint probability distribution table they have given. Here they have given some questions. First, find out distribution of x, distribution y separately. That is, for x, add the columns. For y, add the rows. After adding row columns, here we are going to get f of xi. While adding rows, we are going to get g of y. Okay, next, whatever data, go on finding by the form. Okay, in that one, next example, the joint probability distribution of two random variables x and y is as follows. Here they have given the joint distribution table. Here in this example, they are asking determine the marginal distribution of x and y. Means this one we are asking, last one they are not asked. Next, expectation of x, expectation of y, expectation of xy, standard deviations of x and y, covariance of xy. Next, correlation of xy. Okay, let us start by finding one by one. First, we will find distribution of x. Distribution of x. X values are nothing but 1 and 2 f of x. I told you f of x will get by adding the columns. 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0 plus 0.3. That is nothing but 0.6. Next, 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0. This here we are going to get 0.4. Next, y. Next we will find distribution of y. Distribution of y. Y values are nothing but -2, -1, 4, 5. -2, -1, 4, 5. Next, here we are going to get f of y by adding the rows. Okay, for -2, adding the row -1 plus -2. Sorry, 0.1 plus 0.2, that is 0.3. Next, 0.2 plus 0.1, again 0.3. For 4, 0 plus 0.1, 0.1. Next for 5, 0.3 plus 0, nothing but 0, 0.3. This is distribution of y. Distribution x, distribution of y is completed. Next, expectation of x. Expectation of x we are getting by x into f of x. That is 1 into 0.6 plus 2 into 0.4. After simplifying this one, here we are getting this as 1.4. Next, y expectation of y, that is summation of y into f of y. That is -2 into 0.3 plus -1 into 0.3 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.3. Simplify this one. After simplifying this one, here we are going to get 1. Expectation of y is 1. Next, expectation of x into y into ji, summation of that one. That is, first one is 1 into x is 1 into y is -2. Ji is 0.1. Second one, 1 into -1 into ji is 0.2. Next, 1 into 4 into 0 plus 1 into 5 into 0.3. Plus, next one, it is 2. 2 into -2 into, how much it is? 0.2. Next, plus 2 into -1 into, it is 0.1. Plus 2 into 4 into 0.1 plus 2 into 5 into ji is 0. Simplify this one. Expectation of xy. Here this we are going to get. After simplifying, expectation of xy is 0.9. Okay, next one is they are asking sigma x. That is standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Okay, this we can find by using the formula e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x we have already obtained. Now we will find e of x square. E of x square is nothing but summation of x square into f of x. X square means first x is 1. 1 square into f of x is 0.6. Plus second one, x is 2. 2 square into 0.4. Okay, simplify this one. Here we are getting summation of x square is 2.2. E of x square. E of x square is nothing but 2.2. Substitute here 2.2 minus e of x is 1.4. E of x we are telling e of x whole square, that is 1.4 whole square. Okay. After simplifying this one, here we are getting this as 0.49. Next, sigma y, that is standard deviation of y. that is square root of e of y square minus e of y whole square. Similarly, we have e of y, that is 1. Now we will find e of y square. Okay, e of y square we are getting by summation of y into f of y. Y square into f of y. Okay. Y square, first term y is minus 2. Square into f of y is g of y. Sorry, you can get it as g of y, that is 0.3. 0.3 here. Sorry, I have written here 0.2. 0.3. Next, plus. Next one is minus 1 square. G of y is nothing but how much it is? It is again 0.3 plus 1 more is 4 square into 0.1 plus next one more is 5 square into 0.3. After simplifying this one, e of y square is 10.6. E of y square is 10.6. Okay, substitute here, that is 10.6 minus e of y is what? 1 square. 10.6 minus 1 square. This is nothing but square root of 10.6 minus 1 square is nothing but 3.1. Next one is covariance of xy. Covariance of xy is nothing but e of xy. E of xy we have 0.9 minus e of x into e of y. E of x is how much it is? 1.4 into 1. Okay, simplify this one. Here this we are going to get minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Next, correlation of xy. Correlation of xy, that is covariance of xy, that is minus 0.5 upon sigma x. Sigma x is 0.49 into the sigma y is 3.1. Okay, after simplifying this one, here we are getting minus 0.3. You are seeing here they are given distribution, joint distribution, probability distribution table. Okay, with the help of this table, first we will find distribution of x, distribution of y. Distribution of x we are getting x columns, y adding x columns, by adding second column. Next, by adding the rows for respective y values. Here these are the distribution tables. Next, whatever they have asked, go on finding by substituting formula and simplify this.